Good morning, students. Again, we are here in our grammar class, and today's topic is personal pronouns. This is the third chapter of your book. Pronouns, I think everyone knows very well. The words which are used at the place of nouns are called pronouns. There are 9 types of pronouns there are, and we are going to just study the first one, personal pronouns. You can just see that the personal word comes from person, which indicates that the pronouns which is used for a person or a thing is known as personal pronouns. Mean the pronouns which are used for a proper noun, you can say that they are personal pronouns. Common noun, they are personal pronouns. At the place of material noun, they can be personal pronouns. But here only we are going to study about the persons. 3 persons are there: first person, second person, and third person. Who is known as first person? The person who speaks. The person who speaks is known as first person. The person who listens, that is known as second person, and the person who is talked about, that is third person. So these personal pronouns are divided in 3 types: first person pronouns, second person pronouns, and third person pronouns. And all these 3 persons are used in 3 cases. Number 1, nominative case. Which is known as a subjective case also. The second one, accusative case, which is known as objective case also. And the third one is possessive case. It means that कि एक पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस टोटल 3 टाइप के होते हैं: फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन, जो कि 3 तरीके से यूज किए जाते हैं: नॉमिनेटिव या सब्जेक्टिव केस में, एक्यूजेटिव या ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में, और पोजेसिव यानी पोजीशन दिखाने के लिए. तो ये 3 केसेस में ये 3 प्रोनाउंस यूज किए जाते हैं. अब हम इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे अलग अलग टाइप में. और अगर हम बात करें सबसे पहले फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन की, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन में हम सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन जस्ट स्टडी व्हाट इज द सिंगुलर ऑफ फर्स्ट पर्सन and plural of first person, and all these 3 cases: case 1, which is nominative case; case 2, which is objective case; and case 3, which is possessive case. First person pronoun singular, that is I, and plural, that is we. Means आपको अगर सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे यूज करना है फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन को, जो कि बोल रहा है, तो वहां पे वो यूज करेंगे सिंगुलर रूप में हम आई को और प्लूरल रूप में वी को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने ये काम किया, मुझे घर जाना है, तो इन सब में जो व्यक्ति है दैट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड दैट इज द दैट शुड बी यूज्ड एज अ सब्जेक्टिव केस. तो आई हैव टू गो टू स्कूल, आई कंप्लीट माई वर्क, हम अपना काम करते हैं, वी डू आवर वर्क. तो ऐसे हम सब्जेक्टिव केस में बात करते हैं. आई का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस दैट इज मी, वी ऑब्जेक्टिव केस दैट इज अस, आई पोजेसिव केस माई, वी पोजेसिव केस आर. एंड यू कैन सी दैट कि आई हैव टू गो, we have to go. He abused me, they abused us. I do my work, we do our work. So if we are going to use possessive case for I, that will be my, and for we it should be our. So many errors are there that can be given. जैसे हम एक सेंटेंस दे देंगे कि I am doing our work, तो you have to find out the error. तो here I के साथ हम क्या यूज करना है हमको? My. इसी तरह we can do my work, तो we can do my work is incorrect, we can do our work. Similarly, आप ये I और we जो फर्स्ट पर्सन है, that should be used for male and female both. मतलब लड़की के लिए भी, मेल के लिए भी अगर हम बात करेंगे तो आई यूज करेंगे, गर्ल्स के लिए बात करेंगे या वुमेन के लिए बात करेंगे तो भी हम आई यूज करेंगे. मैं जाती हूं, इसका भी होगा आई गो. मैं जाता हूं, इसका भी होगा आई गो. तो ये अपने दिमाग में सेट रखना है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन में मेल फीमेल के लिए सेम प्रोनाउन यूज होते हैं. सिंगुलर अलग होता है, प्लूरल अलग होता है. इसके बाद सेकेंड वन, that is second person. Second person is also used for male and female both, and singular and plural. Is also the same. So in subjective case we use you, in objective case we use you, in possessive case we use your, and yours. In the previous one also, in first person also, my, mine should be the possessive case, and our, ours should be the possessive case of plural. But here we can just think that if we are talking about personal pronouns, so these are pronouns only, these are adjectives. Similarly, your is adjective, possessive adjective, and yours are possessive pronouns. You beat me, I beat you. You subject, तो वहां पे you ही यूज किया गया. In the second sentence, you is object, वहां भी you यूज किया गया. This is your book and this book is yours. So such kind of use are there for second person. And in the third one, that is third person pronoun, singular different for male, singular for female, different for non-living, different singular, and plural for same, for each and every one is the same. Singular male is he, singular female is she, neuter gender, that is it. It is used for animal also, and here we can say that the plural is they. What is objective case of this he? That is him. Possessive case, his. For she, objective is her, possessive adjective is hers, possessive pronouns is hers. It, objective is also it, and possessive is its. They, them, their, and theirs. So these are the personal pronouns. This is the complete personal pronouns. In the next video, we will just discuss about the degrees where comparative degree is used, what kind of degree should be there for person pronouns, which case we can just use, in which case the person pronouns there are. Thank you very much.